Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to do wireless redstone in Create Aeronautics. So, by now you've probably already seen the redstone link. Well, it only has a range of like 256 blocks, I'm pretty sure, so we're not going to be using that, because this setup has infinite range. So what you're going to need is a swivel bearing, physics assembler, iron handle, an observer, and any redstone setup of your choice. I'm just going to use a copper bulb. And to demonstrate that it works even in survival, I'll be doing it in survival. So, the first thing to do is turn your swivel bearing into a physics object. And then you can just activate it by right-clicking it with your bare hand. As you can see, the top is now a completely separate object from the bottom. Then reassemble the top as a stationary block. Then carefully add the iron handle to it. Yeah, like that. Making sure not to reassemble the swivel bearing. Drag it to wherever you want. And then you can just use the physics assembler to reassemble it as its own stationary block. And from here, this is the magic. Every time you click this top panel, the other swivel bearing will change between swiveling and solid block. You can detect this change using the observer and relay the signal to whatever redstone contraption you want. It has infinite range as long as you use that specific swivel bearing. This is also a method of duplication, because then you can mine your swivel bearing, mine the top panel, and you get two bearings. So yeah, fun stuff.